Hello, you're welcome. Today I would like to show you this crochet Christmas tree. I have made two with different balls and decorations, and I flow it with different type. This has more green, and at the sides we have the white color, and here we have more white color, and we have made chains here to hang it. You can decorate your closets, windows, whatever you like. I think it's a good gift also. Let's begin to see how to make it. For the Christmas tree, I will use these two colors, the white one and the green. If you like, you can choose another green. And my crochet hook is 4 millimeters. And my yarn is 220 meters, the 100 grams. Let's begin. We will begin our work with magic ring, and we will make 2 chains and then yarn over, hook inside of the circle, pull through, 2 loops together, 2 loops together, yarn over, insert your hook here, yarn over, pull through 2 together, pull through 2 together. We'll make 12 double crochets here. The first chains, we will count them as a double crochet, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We need 8 more. I have made my 12 double crochets. Now I'll tighten the circle, pull, and then I'll make slip stitch here, 1 chain, and I'll cut my yarn. Now we will take the white yarn. We are changing color. We'll make 2 chains and 2 double crochet at the same stitch. One chain, 3 double crochet in the same stitch. Two chains now, and we'll make 3 double crochet in the 3rd stitch, 1, 2 and 3. Yarn over, insert your hook to the 3rd chain, 3rd stitch, make double crochet, and also we are hiding our tails. 1 chain here, 3 more double crochet in the same stitch. 2 chains, 1, 2, 3, 3 chains, 3 double crochet here, one chain, 3 more double crochet, two chains now, and here 3 double crochet, one chain, 3 double crochet, 2 chains, here slip stitch, one chain, and cut your yarn. This is gonna be our top of our tree. For the second piece of my tree, I made magic ring, 12 double crochet, and now I'll make 2 chains and 2 half double crochet in the same stitch, and then 1 chain, 3 more double crochet in the same stitch. We are just doing the same thing as we did with the white one, but we will make it with the green, and then we will add the white at the third row. 1, 2 chains, 1, 2, 3 at the third, one chain, 3 more double crochet in the same stitch, 2 chains, 1, 2, 3, one chain, and 3 more double crochet, 2 chains, 1, 2, 3 here, and 2 chains. We will join our work with slip stitch, 1 chain, and cut your yarn. Now we are at the same row. For the third row, we will begin from the corner. I'll make 2 chains, 2 double crochet here, so we have 3, 1 chain, 3 more double crochet, two chains here, we'll make 3 double crochet, two chains, we are at the corner, we will make 6 double crochet here, one chain, and then 3 more, one, 2 chains, and here at the chains, in the 2 chains we have from the previous row, we'll make 3 double crochet. With this way we will make 6 pieces. We have the first one, this is the second. At the third we will have 3 rows with green and then white, 4 rows green, white, 5 rows green, white. We are at the end of the row. We will make 2 chains and we will join our row with slip stitch, and then we will make 2 slip stitches to arrive in the middle here. 1 slip stitch and 1 more, and then we will make our chains. This is, we will count this as a double crochet, and then we will make 2 more, one chain and 3 more double crochet. So we have changed the row. I have finished my squares for the tree. I made one more with 7 greens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 greens and 1 white. I'll use 1.5 green and 1 white skein of yarn, and I fold them with 2 ways here. If you like more green, you can fold inside from the corner. Here is the corner, main place, and fold it inside. Otherwise, if you like this way, you can fold it from outside. Here we are folded to the middle with this way, and we will sew them together and then decorate them. I have chose this one to decorate them like this, and the other. I have felt balls, and you can decorate them with one color or with different colors. And what else? We can use this plastic garlands. Or this one. Here. And also we can use this as a decoration. Can take this and leave it like this. You can decorate in which way you like. Thank you very much for watching. I think these are nice gifts for Christmas. Thank you.